10 ways on how to make an extra money online. Hey, my name is Fabio. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Way number one to make an extra money online, and that is making videos about making money online. Make money online is trending, is one of the viral markets that get a lot of attraction. And so making videos about making money online, the way that I do on my YouTube channel, you can see an example of what I do. So what I do is I help people make money online. I use some products that I recommend. They have an affiliate program. And what I do is I simply add my affiliate link on the description on YouTube. When people click on those links and buy, I get a commission every single month from those clicks. You know, especially now on the COVID-19, everybody's at home. Working from home is amazing. So everybody's finding solutions to work from home. So, you know, making videos on how to make money online, it's great here on YouTube. You could also do on other platforms. You know, you could do it on Instagram. You can even do it on TikTok. Way number two of how to make an extra money online is through YouTube and Google Ads. The way that you could do is by making compilations of trending topics, looking what's trending right now and doing compilations of that. I know people that make small videos, small compilations of funny cats and things like that, and those videos actually go viral. And because YouTube works with Google Ad Center, the same company, you get paid as YouTube shows ads to your visitors. So the idea is you build a YouTube channel doing compilations, so you don't have to do the videos yourself. You just go ahead and find what's trending. You can go on Reddit, you can go on, just trending topics, Google trending topics, and see what's trending right now, what people want content on it, and do content on that. You can grow big, and with AdSense, you monetize and make great money. I have a friend that makes over 10K per month on complete autopilot from YouTube. Not complete, but the only thing that he does is he compiles videos and puts it in on his YouTube channel. That's all he does, and he gets paid via AdSense from YouTube. Way number two to make an extra money online, and I was not going to put this one, but I have to put this one because I see a lot of people doing this, and this really works really well, which is doing van life. People that love van life and record your journey. I've noticed that loads of people are doing this. They, instead of paying for their home, they just choose to do van life. They transform a car or a van, and they turn it into a house. And what they do is they build a YouTube channel, and they just record their journey. Now, people really love this because this topic is trending on YouTube. So if you could do just that, that will definitely get you going on YouTube, because really there's loads of people searching for this, including myself. I really love seeing these type of videos. And I've noticed that everybody that does this, I mean every single body, they get the traction going because there's loads of people searching for this. Loads of people searching for this type of lifestyle. Way number 4 of making an extra money online is buying broken iPhones and sell it on eBay. Guys, this works wonders. You cannot imagine how many people are looking for parts of iPhones on eBay. It's insane. Even technicians and people that fix iPhones, they're buying parts on eBay to fix other people's phones. So buying broken iPhones, like somebody gets a broken iPhone, it is worth like almost nothing. They sometimes just give it. You want to go out there and go into websites like Craigslist and just where you live and look for iPhones that are broken. Literally announce that you're buying broken iPhones and then go and flip it on eBay. People will actually pay pay good money for a broken iPhone. Oh, and by the way, when you do this, you want to make sure when you list the iPhone, and what you want to do is you want to tell specific and the truth about the phone, why it's broken, what happened, and what is the issue with the phone itself. You want to be very truthful so that people know, and when they go and buy, they know already that this phone has this problem, but they have other parts on the phone that they need, and they are willing to buy it. And that brings me to way number 5 on how to make an extra money online, and that is find cheap mainstream items around you where you live, buy it and resell it for more on eBay. You find the items that you see that are on sale, on Walmart, wherever you live, you can buy items that are worth more. You see that they have more value, you buy them, and then you go and you sell it on eBay and you make a profit. Way number 6 on how to make an extra money online is through affiliate marketing. That's my favorite. You can earn money by promoting services and products which other companies have already started selling online. You will be paid commission based, normally a certain percentage of the product or service the cost. Once you have contributed to their product sales, this gives you a room for multiple income streams, right? Since you can promote and sell various services and products as you start to progress. I myself do affiliate marketing. The main product that I promote is Builderall, but I also promote other products, so I have different streams of income. I promote a product that is not mine. I get a commission from it, actually every single month, and then it brings me, what I call passive income. The money just keeps rolling in without me doing the work, for me doing just one sale, for example, and then I do 3, 4, 5, 6, and the money just keeps adding in. So affiliate marketing is so amazing. You don't need a product. It's very easy. Just put your affiliate link wherever you want to promote it, and boom, you make a sale, you make a commission. And with affiliate marketing, you can promote your affiliate links with loads of ways. There's many ways you can go about it. I actually have a course that I teach my team on traffic methods and all that kind of stuff and how to promote. And if you want to check it out, if you want to actually check it out, how I went from $0 to $20,000 promoting one product, I'll leave a link below for my masterclass on how I did it. Way number 7 on how to make an extra money online through email marketing. This is one of the golden nuggets. It involves getting people to subscribe to your newsletter so that you can keep in contact with them and build a good relationship. The secret is to keep in touch with them regularly, providing them with quality and trustable information that they are interested. The easiest way for you to do this is by using the service of email marketing company such as Mailing Boss from Builderall. This enables you to send out follow-up broadcasts and newsletters to all of your subscribers automatically. Using, for example, Mailing Boss, which is what I use, autoresponder software, the power of this is unbelievable, as you are able to recommend products to your subscribers that will be of use to them, resulting in revenue for you. Email marketing is amazing because you are capturing people's emails and then you are building a list. And anytime you want to give value or promote something, you just write an email and it sends to all of the emails that you've been capturing. And it's said that for every email that you have on your list, it's worth at least $1 a month. So if you have 10,000 subscribers, and if you do it right, you can expect to make $10,000 per month. Of course, you have to master this. And way number 8 on how to make an extra money online. That is social media manager. If you're a social media savvy, you can offer your services to brands that want to help on managing their social media accounts on a daily basis. You see, social media management is hot and trending right now. There's loads of companies out there, especially now, that need their business online. literally tell them that you would take care of their social media accounts to companies and small businesses, they are willing to pay to have that going on. And you can build a social media agency even. And way number 9 of how to make extra money online is to make money from your blog as an affiliate. Now, if you have a big blog and if you have a nice following, you can promote other people's, other companies' products. If you don't have a blog, you can create one, take into account that blogs take some time to build, but you can have a blog on a niche that is related to something you're passionate about. You build that blog, and if you keep posting every single day, then it will start ranking, and then you get loads of traffic from Google, and you can promote affiliate products related to the blog. And last but not least, on how to make an extra money online is to become TikTok famous and promote affiliate products. Now, becoming a TikTok famous nowadays, it's not hard at all. You just have to be a little bit creative and do videos that people actually like. It can be even silly videos, as long as you get this big following going on. I have this guy that he plays some games with his father, and it's so interesting. People love to see it, and so it really exploded his TikTok account. So he now has an affiliate product on his bio, and he makes a full-time income just from that affiliate link that he has on his bio. That works like wonders. There's a lot of, you have to be creative. What I would recommend you do with TikTok, is just see what the big guys that have a lot of followers, see what they're doing. And you will actually see that it's actually easy to do what they're doing. It's actually easier than what you might think. Come up with a plan and go for it. Go for it. As TikTok is very actually easy if you put in the effort to become TikTok famous, if you be a little bit creative and go outside of the box. There's people, with the green screen, which is, you have a green screen at the back of you, and you can remove the background, and you can do crazy stuff with the green screen for TikTok that goes viral. There's even people, they do movements they do movements themselves, like opening something. They're doing something, and then on the background they're doing something crazy, but they're in their house recording, but looks like they're doing something crazy outside, or just hanging outside of a cliff, almost falling down, yet they're in their house, but the background is they're in this building very high, and so they make it seem very real, and loads of people like that, and the account goes viral just from one video. You just have to get one video right, and that is with YouTube and everything, but especially with TikTok. And there you go. Those are 10 ways you can make an extra money online. So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up, and if you unlike it, give it a thumbs down. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become great. Now, if you know somebody that will benefit from these methods of making an extra income online, extra money online, please share this video with them. And there you have it. Thank you so much for being part here of my YouTube channel. You are freaking amazing. I really believe in you. Don't forget how awesome and how beautiful you are. Love yourself. When you love, you start loving yourself, and when you start doing self-development, great things will happen. Just believe in yourself, in your inner voice, right? In your intuition. Believe in yourself, and great things can happen. Believe that you can achieve whatever you set your mind to. You set your mind to achieve whatever you want. Go all in, make it happen. I really believe in you 100%. Go all in, make it happen. And you are capable of achieving whatever you set your mind to. Don't let the external, don't let what other people think, don't let what the universe and the external think. Always go inside of you and think for yourself. And when you do that, amazing things will happen to you. Just be patient It can take some time, but eventually you will get what you want. That's it. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers. Hey, beautiful people on the street, in the club, on YouTube, behind that phone, behind that laptop, behind that computer.